लोग क्या सोचेंगे?
What will people think? What will people think?
जोर से बोलो।
Speak loudly. Speak loudly.
बहाने मत बनाओ।
Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses.
मुझसे पंगे मत लो।
Do not miss with me. Do not miss with me.
नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस पढ़ने से पहले वीडियो को कर दीजिए लाइक और चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब,
क्योंकि बाद में आप वीडियो की भावनाओं में खो जाएंगे।
उसे गाली मत दो।
Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him.
उसे मत देखो।
Don't look at him. Don't look at him.
मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया है।
I did it for you. I did it for you.
क्या तुमने कोशिश की?
Did you try? Did you try?
धीरे बोलो।
Speak slowly.
किसी पर भरोसा मत करो।
Don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone.
उसे कुछ मत कहो।
Don't say him anything. Don't say him anything.
मुझे यह मत समझाओ।
Don't explain it to me. Don't explain it to me.
दूसरों पर निर्भर मत रहो।
Don't depend on others. Don't depend on others.
आगे से ऐसा मत करना।
Don't do so in future. Don't do so in future.
दूसरों पर हंसो मत।
Don't laugh at others. Don't laugh at others.
आप कैसे हैं?
How are you? How are you?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
I am fine. I am fine.
चालाक मत बनो।
Don't be clever. Don't be clever.
मुझे घर छोड़ दो।
Drop me at home. Drop me at home.
मैं विवाहित हूँ।
I am married. I am married.
उसे गाली मत दो।
Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him.
आप कर सकते हो।
You can do. You can do.
आप कमाल के हो।
You are a sham. You are a sham.
इसे फिर से कहो ना।
Say it again. Say it again.
क्या चल रहा है?
What is going on? What is going on?
बिल्कुल नहीं।
Not at all. Not at all.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है।
I think so. I think so.
मैं खो गया हूँ।
I am lost. I am lost.
मुझे वापस कॉल करना।
Call me back. Call me back.
मूर्ख मत बनो।
Don't be silly. Don't be silly.
मैं आऊँगा।
I will come. I will come.
बहाने मत बनाओ।
Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Do not forget like and share it.